What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I just got something a little different for y'all. Just sitting around, just getting off work. I hope everybody having a good day. It's about almost 6 o'clock here. Got home, got these bad boys finally from Samsung because I bought the Note 9, the AKG N60s, the noise canceling microphones. And supposedly online, you know, they going for like $200, what have you not. I mean, I don't know, because I never really heard about these headphones real heavy prior to the Note 9 giveaway, so I'm not sure, you know, if that's just not hype, you know what I'm saying? So I was really waiting on these, and I've been seeing them getting beat up on YouTube, so I wanted to see them for myself. So I'm just doing this video so y'all can get like a little, you know, real first impressions from me. So the packaging is nice. As you see, N60 comes with a cord. That's nice, and it's got some measurements for audio. And it's supposed to be, I guess, micro USB charging cable. It's a carrying case. You get the headphones. You get the 3.5 aux jack. And I guess in 2017 they won an award for best noise canceling. So nice packaging with a sleeve. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slide these joints out. Boom. Okay. Set that to the side. I guess you see we got a little ribbon right here. I guess it's another sleeve type deal. So let me let y'all see. As you see, it says N series. Slide that out. Boom. So you can see they're in the carrying case already. I thought I was going to slide out some glory, slide out the headphones, but slid them out to the carrying case. So boom. We got the carrying case, take the carrying case out, and I guess, let's see if everything is in the carrying case or not. Nice carrying case though. Nice denim carrying case, but the headphones already feel small to me. Like, this is like half the size of my head. Like, it's smaller than my head. Headphones can't be that big. You see the carrying case, it's not looking that very big in my hand. It does have some nice AKG branding on there though. It does have a nice cable tie. Like, feels like some denim, some designer denim. What's the bag feels like. I don't know if that's the material or not. So finally we're gonna slide the headphones out. Boom, some things fell on the ground. We'll worry about that later. Oh, they were just in the air cups, as you can see. Wow. First and foremost, they seemed a lot bigger. In the pictures, they seemed a lot bigger. The build isn't a bad build. They just seem kind of puny. Like, pew, pew. They're not really big. And if you take a look at them, got some buttons going on, some Bluetooth buttons, some forward and back buttons. You know, right here go the buttons, and here go the plugs, the micro USB for charging, the audio jack if you want to use that. Well, I would say that the cups are really soft. The band is really nice. They're on-ear headphones, noise canceling. The swivel has a nice swivel to it. Want to be careful with these though. Let me see if they can adjust. Yeah, they're not as bulky as I thought they would be. Like, I thought they would be like really bulky. They're nice measurements to let you know how big your head is. Some N60 branding. So they look nice. They got a little heft to them. One thing about me, guys, I associate something being heavy, a little heavier, with quality and premium. They got a little heft to them, but surely these are not $200 headphones. These not even messing with my Sony headphones that I spent $100 on or $120 on. So it's something nice for free. I just wish they didn't mark them up and act like they were just the pair of headphones to have. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take a listen, but here's a look. This is how they look on my head. Oh, they're very comfortable. Very comfortable. I might use these for live streaming. They're very petite, I would say. Like they fit my head very well. You know, it's a little stretch because I do have kind of a big head, but they're not bad. They're not bad. I just wish they were bigger. I wish they was more brolic. The cups are kind of small, even though they on ear headphones. But nice pair of headphones to be free. You know, great for free. But the most I would be spending on these things is like $50 or $60 in store. That's what I would see these selling for in the store. Not no $200. But just very nice detail. Nice, you know, holes on the back of the cups. Nice cups. As you can see, plenty of cushion. Plenty of cushion up here, some type of faux leather. It seems well built, but it seems like it could be a little fragile at the same time. As you see, it's only half of like a hinge on these cups. See, the hinge goes to, yeah, it goes from here to here. There's no hinge over here. So it could be a little shaky, but I mean, not bad. Like I said, $50, $60 on these headphones. I'm gonna go ahead and take a listen, and yeah, y'all just stay right there. I'm gonna take a listen. All right, guys. These joints surprised me. Actually, they sound good. Let me turn them down. Let me turn them down. As you can see, I got them hooked up. The AKG N60 joints. You should be able to see them on there, whatever. They sound good. They actually have some bass to them, and I like a headphone with bass to it. Like when I was listening to a Lil Baby, you know, I like that guy, Lil Baby. He's out Atlanta. Well, my screen is turned up too bright on my S9 Plus, but the sound is nice. That's Lil Baby right there, whatever. Y'all kid, I was listening to Lil Baby Exotic featuring Starlito. You know what I mean? I don't know if you know about that, but if you don't, you can learn. But it sound pretty good. I mean, they had some bass. The bass was hitting way more than I expected, but it wasn't too much bass. It wasn't like so much exaggerated phony bass that you like, no, this is like y'all just doing too much. It was a nice clean bass hitting up in these headphones. So I'm not tripping on that. This will be the little couple right here. My S9 Plus, as y'all can see, boom. And if you got an S9 Plus, stop over to bestbuy.com or your local Best Buy, because they got the silicone S9 Plus cases for $9.99 on sale. S9 Plus and S9 silicone cases for $9.99. So that's definitely a deal right there. You definitely want to check that out. Of course, I would pair it with the big boy, but I like coordination, and that's not coordinated at all. You know what I mean? That's just not coordinated. I like the way this looks with these headphones because it's black. You know, Samsung Note 10 black, please. But yeah, I mean, these little N60s, they definitely kind of a go. You know, for free, they definitely a go. And to pay for them, no more than 50, 60 bucks or whatever. But yeah, those are my impressions. A little nice giveaway. Thanks, Samsung. Thanks for the headphones. But at the same time, stop trying to fake us out. You know what I mean? You don't gotta put that exaggerated price a bit. I appreciate headphones that cost $60 for free. You don't gotta make it seem like they cost $200, because you know nobody was not buying these headphones for $200. And also, oh, it's another nice touch. I'm glad you stayed. I like nice accessories. I'm BG Tech Life, and I like nice accessories. Yo, it's fire. The aux cord on here is fire. I love it's aluminum and braided nylon. I wish let me see, can I get that? It's aluminum and braided nylon, and they got this micro USB. That's dope. Also got the aluminum with AKG on it. The branding is matched up. You see it. nice. It's very nice. So that's a nice little surprise getting home from work, getting my free N60s, and then find out they got some bass with them. So they'll be paired up with my S9. They'll be like my chilling at Starbucks or chilling on the couch. And I don't want to hear what nobody's got to say setup. It's your man BG Tech Life. If you're not already following me, go over to Instagram, BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram. Also, follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm trying to do better on Twitter, and that's pretty much it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed. Do me that favor, and peace. I'm out.